Hello, my name is Yoni Levoritz and I'm from the Levoritz Law Firm. I'd like to talk to you today about what happens when your ex-spouse does not pay alimony, also known as maintenance in the Supreme Court or spousal support in the family court. So there are a couple of ways of trying to do this. Some have been successful for me in the past, others have not been, but I'll share with you the good, the bad, and the ugly. So, starting with the issue of maintenance in Supreme Court. The way to basically handle maintenance in Supreme Court is to move for a motion for contempt and also seek a money judgment, because a money judgment will give you other remedies that you can use, such as depositions, the freezing of bank accounts, turnover orders, which allow you to take the money from accounts that are frozen and move them into your name and move them under your control. There are numerous remedies that are available in terms of money judgments, which is actually a separate subject that I'll delve into in a later video. But for today, let's just talk about the very basics. Contempt, licensure. Licensure is important. Removing someone's driver's license is very potent. Removing someone's ability to practice law or medicine, or if they have another type of license, even if they're a hairdresser, or there's something else which requires a New York State license, you want to go ahead and suspend that license and stop them from being able to go to work and stop them from being able to exercise their rights. People view themselves as having certain inalienable rights, meaning the rights that can't be taken away from them. That doesn't include a driver's license. That doesn't include a law license. That doesn't include a CPA license. That doesn't include the ability to go ahead and practice in certain fields. Even people who enjoy hunting, okay, which I realize is a controversial subject, but some people do enjoy it. You could take away a hunting license. Take away things that they enjoy. Punish them for not paying support. Now, some judges incarcerate people, relatively speaking, easily, without too much hassle or too much of a problem. If you have such a judge, be thankful, because that order is going to be enforced by the court, and that order is going to be enforced via incarceration. So the fact that they don't have the ability, or they do have the ability to pay, incarceration is extremely potent, because if they're going to go to jail, they're going to come up with that money and comply with the orders of the court. There's another option which has not worked for me in the past, and that's the support collection unit. Now, I have found that the support collection unit only takes cases where it's joint spousal support or joint maintenance order along with child support. However, that doesn't mean you should not try and use it. You should go ahead and you should make your best efforts to use every remedy available. That includes judgment collection, that includes the ability to go ahead and incarcerate, that includes taking away licenses, that includes seeking sequester of funds, or an undertaking of funds, that someone should have to post a certain amount of money in an escrow account to pay you your support. You should not have to go without what the court ordered you in terms of collecting your alimony, which is known as maintenance in Supreme Court or known as spousal support in the family court. I thank you very much for spending your time with me today. Please take into account that this video is for educational purposes only. And please also take into account that this does not form an attorney-client relationship. I wish you the best of luck, and I thank you for spending your time with me. Take care, and all the best.